In pCensus Analyst for Map Info, you can create customized boundary shaded maps. This video will show you how to link a demographic variable to a Map Info boundary layer. Here are the basics. A boundary shaded map is a type of thematic map linking a variable to a boundary layer and color-coded legend. Any Map Info boundary can be used with either a preset or customized demographic variable. The thematic maps created in pCensus can be exported to work in Map Info Professional. In this example, we will use the state of Connecticut for a zip code map of households. Our first step will be to open a Map Info table of zip code boundaries for this area, to have it ready for future use. Go to the File menu option at the upper left corner of your screen and select the Add Map Layers option. Here we will choose the Map Info table of Connecticut zip codes and then click Open. Our second step would be to generate a demographic profile of the overall area to be covered by our thematic map. In this case, an entire state. On the right margin of the screen, there are 6 flyaway tabs and we will select the Database Explorer option. Using a demographic database, the top panel lists the available geographies for it. The middle panel displays available areas for the selected geography where we can manually choose. Here we will double-click Connecticut to quickly generate the state total and a new profile column of the area will appear. The next step will be to use the pCensus Tasks window to set up our thematic map. Open the pCensus Task window on the upper left and select the Create Thematic Map option. A good suggestion would be to set up some default thematic settings. The Thematic Configuration window will appear. For the Geography Map Layers option, we will scroll down to the zip code geography, and for the map layer, select the recently loaded zip code map. For the code columns, we will select the 5-digit zip code field from this layer. For default boundary range, we can use one of several color ramp styles, as well as other options to help customize the legend, such as break type, ranges, and rounding. The next step would be to select a demographic variable, and we will choose More Variables from the drop-down option. In the Select a Thematic Variable screen, we will be able to select preset variables that came with your database or even create new ones. Here we will simply select an estimate on total households in the report, displayed in the reference pane. When it is highlighted in black, click on Insert Individual Lines and it will be added to the Variable List window. In this window, multiple individual lines can be added at once, several related variables can be combined into one, or you can use a formula option to create a complex variable. Once done, click OK. Now we are ready for the final step. With the Connecticut study area selected, we shall click on Shade Current Study Area. The Boundary Thematics defaults will appear. This is where we would choose the geographic target type, such as zip code, confirm the data matching, or even override the defaults for the color ramp and translucency. After clicking OK, the boundary shaded map is quickly created. To modify this map, right-mouse click to enable Map Info Professional's Layer Control tool, and the standard Map Info customization options will be available. Another useful option is to export your new map directly into Map Info Professional. Return to the File menu option in the upper left corner of your screen and select Save Map as Map Info Workspace. Select the folder destination and name for this map collection, and clicking Save will prompt Map Info to start separately. Once your map is transferred to Map Info, this opens up your work to the powerful tools of GIS level mapping. For more information about pCensus Analyst and our other solutions, please contact Tetrad.